how to set data usage limit on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon, or you can swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, go down, then tap on connections. After that, we go down and tap on data usage. Now go down and tap on billing cycle and data warning. You can tap on that for your physical SIM or eSIM. Next, in here we go down and tap on set data limit. Now make sure this is turned on. Then we go down and tap on data limit. Next, set the limit number. So let's say you have 30 gig of mobile data to use each month. So your data limit is 30 gig. So tap on set. And that's it. Make sure you set your start billing cycle so that the limit is reset after your cycle has been reached. And that's it. So here, once you set the limit, if you have reached 30 gig, for example, in this video, then your phone will stop you from access any more data on your mobile plan. And that's it. And say here, mobile data will be paused when the specified limit is reached. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.